Welcome to this video. In this video I have got a few things to show you. So number one, I'm going to give you a free niche. I thought it'd be a good idea to give you a really good free niche and something that you can actually use that will pay you really good commission in a high paying category. I know that the categories have had a reshuffle with Amazon and so on, but there's still, you'll see today, there's still a way you can pick niches that will pay you good money. So I'm going to give you that niche for free and advise on how to use it. And also I've opened up one more spot for the 2021 quick start, and this is literally the final spot. I've said that before and I've taken on more spots, but this is literally the final one. So before we get into the good stuff, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page. Check out the video. Everything you get a site built for you properly that will look like this one, okay, like this lawnmower one. And I'm going to show you this site here that I'm actually building to flip has made sales already. I'm going to show you that as well in just 1 second. But that's what I wanted to do in this video, is just give you, this stuff. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. The way it works is this: you build the sites and you get them ranked, and some will do better than others, but you will have monthly income coming in. You're building up the sites and you've got the monthly income coming in, and you can build them up into bigger sites and so on, authority sites, the ones that are doing well. Or if you need money really quickly, this is really simply put, I know, but you can flip the sites on Flipper. And this one I've got here is actually one I'm building just to flip on Flipper, just to show it working. Really simple, and it's made sales. So I'm going to show you that, and obviously when I go and flip it on Flipper, the fact that it's made some sales will increase the value of it, which is good. So I want you doing this stuff too and making some money. So do check out the Azon 2021 Quick Start. You get a site like this. You actually get 5 reviews with 3,000 words per page, fully SEO'd and interlinking, logo and background done for you, menu setup done for you. So the way you can use that is then build up the site straight away, because I give you the 14 days to profit coaching. You just follow that through. It's totally free. It's a $995 course. It's brand new, but you just log in and follow a video a day and do the stuff, and you'll be able to build up the site to sell it on Flipper, or build it up into an authority site, or build it up into a monthly earner. Okay, so you get everything you need with that, so you can get going with this stuff. The other thing that it will give you is the fact that you'll have a site built properly. So when you go and build your own sites, you've then got a site built properly that you can use as a mirror. Okay, I don't mean copy it, but you can see how everything's set up, and it will speed this stuff up. If you're struggling, do check it out. Last thing I'll say on it is it's already got 50% off for the final spot. If you click on the payment button, check out the video and so on, but if you click on the payment button, you've got the option for extra content at a huge discount. And if you type into the coupon, there's one of these left. This is why this is why there's just one spot. I've got one of these coupons left. Type in special, click on apply, and you can get the whole thing for just $200. And then if you go for 10 extra pages, it will still only cost you $300. Okay, so remember to type in special, but there's one left. So if you want that, check out the link below and it will take you through to that. Okay, so let's get on with the niche. What have I got to show you? So I'll show you the niche, but before I get into the niche, check this out. Lawnmowers. Okay, so this is a site I'm building up, and I'm going to put it on Flipper, and I'm going to sell it, and it's going to sell for good money. I've covered in the previous videos why and how I've done the content. Nothing magic or anything, just hard work. And if you do it, you can do the same. Okay, with a bit of, you just check out some of the previous videos. But it's made sales. Here we go. This is a screenshot. You can see here where it says 0 turn mower. Last 7 days. It has made sales. Now the sales that it's made aren't massive lawnmowers yet, okay? They're not related items, but it means that someone's found the site on the search engines and they've clicked on the links and it's starting to make sales. Now this is important. When you first start building a site, I see this a lot. When you first start building a site, you won't find that all of the sales come in for the product. So let's say you have a site on rowing machines. You won't find that every single sale that you get through Amazon is a rowing machine. Okay, you get miscellaneous items, and you know what I mean. And you normally find that with a site that's just starting to rank, just starting to get going. You'll find a few miscellaneous sales, and then a big sale, and then a miscellaneous sale. And normally, as the site gets going and it's sort of up there and ranking, like when you got it ranking, you'll find that you get a good mix. The actual sales of the items, and then a good mix of it, you know, bringing in other sales as well. But the cool thing is it's working. When I go to sell this now on Flipper, I can say, look, it's working, it's starting to get indexed, these are some sales that some people are finding the site, and all of this is off there's 3 pieces of content on that site, but bear in mind it's got a lot of content there, okay? So it's that's not messing about. It's got quite a lot of content in terms of I'll show you. It won't bring me a word count, but you can see there's a lot there. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that's what you're aiming for, just to get a site up and out there. You can then sell it on Flipper, or you can build it right up. So niche, free niche for you. Here we go. Canopies, gazebos, or pergolas. Am I saying that right? Let me know in the comments if I'm saying that right. Pergolas, I've never heard of them. Canopies, gazebos. Really, really good niche. Check out Ubersuggest for the searches. Loads and loads of searches. Relatively easy to rank for because the product names for this stuff is quite long-winded. ABC canopy, instant canopy, sunwall for 8 by 8 foot. Okay, ABC canopy, grill shelter replacement canopy. These are all the best selling, and the good thing is they sell for quite some of them sell for quite good money, some of them are relatively cheap, but it's a really, really good sort of really, really good niche area, something that you can build up. You can also, the beauty of this particular niche is that there's different words here. You've got canopies. Okay, so if we have a look at canopies, and I recommend doing a site for and including all of these canopies, gazebos, and pergolas. Okay, you can also start to use them. You can also use keywords like, would it be gazebos for weddings or gazebos for festivals? Remember that people buy off usage as well. So really quick, as with the other niches, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get your product reviews on there first, a good 10-20 product reviews, and then you want to target the keywords best canopy for 2021, best gazebo for 2021, best pergola for 2021, and then start targeting the usage. Okay, best gazebo for weddings, best gazebo for parties, best gazebo for a rock festival. Do the searches as well, like check that there's enough searches. But really, really good niche because it's a good medium priced product that can go up really high. So the cool thing is if they buy if we go to this one, if they buy the 8 by 8 foot, you can also do a review if you wanted for each of these, like 8 by 8, 8 by 12, or have a section on the main review for the different sizes, and that means that you will get picked up. Okay, if they go for the 10 by 20 feet, you're looking at $429 per sale. So it's a really, really good niche and something that you can rank for that's selling really well. You can see that off the ratings. Get it off the best sellers list, because then you know the best ones, and it's coming up to spring. So if you want to build a site that you could flip, you want to build a site that you can build up and do really, really well in the summer, there's a niche for you. Really, really good. But do all of them, okay? So like canopies, gazebos, and pergolas, and call the site something like Ultimate Shelter Guide, Ultimate let's have a think, Ultimate Canopy Guide. So you could target Ultimate Gazebo Guide, something like that. Just have a think about the domain name, but include reviews for all 3 of those things and build the site up, and you'll do really, really well. So I hope that helps. I hope that's given you a niche to think about that will give you a good payout, because it will go under the patio, it'll go under garden and outdoors, okay, which will give you like 3%, but the prices are quite good as well. I think it's 3%, double check that, I'm remembering off the top of my head, but the prices are good as well. So as that goes up, really, really good one to build up. And if you're wanting the site built for you, and you want the training, and you want everything you need to do it, grab that final spot at discount. Links below. Type special into the coupon and you will be ready to rock. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.